back to my channel. Now we are watching a 4-star hotel. In this hotel, 7 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.5. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please follow the description link. If you have any problem booking a